We just got this double rattan cabinet set as a gift, and I love how it's going to look in our freshly redesigned laundry room. I especially like that there's an option to go with a wider double size at 60 inches because the washer and dryer fit perfectly right underneath the cabinets. The rattan fronts are my favorite detail. They definitely add the texture, warmth, and make the space feel more intentional instead of just purely functional. It's such a nice upgrade from basic wide cabinets. So these cabinets are wall mounted, which is great for saving floor space, and they work really well in tighter areas. Inside, there's plenty of room for laundry supplies, cleaning products, or even pantry items, and the adjustable shelves lets you customize the layout based on what you're storing. Installation was straightforward with clear instructions and all the hardware included. You can mount them either vertically or horizontally depending on your space, which makes them really versatile. Overall, it's a great combination of storage and style, especially for laundry rooms, bathrooms, or even kitchens where you want things organized but still good looking. Definitely check it out.